Vacuum sealing extends freezer life by up to 5 times and pays for itself in saved food waste within 3 to 6 months of regular use. These 5 cover every household from a first-time buyer under $35 to a high-volume 2-in-1 machine for serious meal preppers and bulk buyers. Subscribe. Let's get into it. The MEGAWISE 2025 is the best value entry point on this list. Independently tested and confirmed to deliver surprising performance that rivals models costing 3 to 4 times more at around $33.99. Dry and moist food modes, LED indicator lights, a compact design that fits in a kitchen drawer, and a starter kit including bags and a roll make it a complete ready-to-use package straight out of the box. The automatic vacuum and seal cycle removes air and bonds the bag in a single operation without manual timing. Compatible with standard vacuum sealer bags and rolls from all major brands. For households who want to try vacuum sealing without a significant financial commitment, preserving bulk meat buys, batch cooking, or reducing freezer burn, the MEGAWISE 2025 is the lowest risk starting point on this list and a genuinely capable one. Links are in the description. Go check it out. Your Best Digs tested 7 vacuum sealers across 60+ hours and over 100 bags of dry and wet foods, and named the Mueller the best vacuum sealer overall for ease of use and versatility. The compact, lab-tested design handles both dry and moist food modes, includes LED indicator lights for clear operational feedback, and comes with a starter bag and roll kit. The manual vacuum and seal process gives more control over seal quality than fully automatic alternatives, and the single seam sealing element creates clean, consistent bonds across standard bag widths. A built-in bag cutter and roll holder add practical convenience for bulk sealing sessions. The MuellerLiving is the vacuum sealer that most households describe as the one they wish they'd bought first. Straightforward, reliable, and sized for everyday kitchen use without taking up significant counter or storage space. For first-time vacuum sealer buyers who want a well-tested, expert-recommended pick at an accessible price, the Mueller is the proven daily driver. The NutriChef PKVS is the sous vide and marinade specialist, a vacuum sealer built with a pulse vacuum function that gives manual control over the suction level for delicate items like bread, fresh produce, and marinated proteins that full auto suction would crush or compromise. Both dry and moist food modes, an easy one-touch lock-in-place lid, LED status indicators, and a compact design under 2 pounds cover everyday preservation needs. Included accessories cover bags, a roll, and a wine stopper for vacuum sealing open bottles. Compatible with any standard FoodSaver width, bag, and roll. And if this kind of practical kitchen gear content is what you want every week, unsubscribe right now. We cover the best food and home gear regularly. The pulse function is the differentiator here. Being able to stop the vacuum at exactly the right pressure for chips, cookies, delicate pastries, and soft fruits without crushing them is a genuine capability that basic single-mode sealers simply cannot replicate. For households that cook sous vide, meal prep a variety of textures, or want precise vacuum control, the NutriChef PKVS is the most versatile mid-range pick on this list. Taste of Home's executive culinary director tested the POTANE Precision across multiple weeks of sous vide cooking, moist and dry food preservation, and batch meal prep, and called it an all-around super job across every category. An independent 47-hour test of 8 vacuum sealers confirmed the POTANE offers the best balance of features, durability, and value for most users. The brushless motor and 8mm sealing element with 3mm sealing width create bonds strong enough to hang 8.5 pounds of weight from a sealed bag. 8 preset modes cover meat, vegetables, dry goods, and soft or delicate items. Built-in cutter and roll storage, one-hand lid lock, a drip tray for moist sealing, and a 5-year warranty, 3 to 4 times longer than most competitors, complete the package. The 5-year warranty alone reflects a level of manufacturer confidence that no other sealer under $100 on this list matches. For households who vacuum seal regularly, do bulk, meat buys, cook sous vide, and want a machine built to last with a warranty to back it up, the POTANE Precision is the high-confidence mid-range pick. The FoodSaver V4840 is the high-volume benchmark, and a 500-cycle independent stress test showed 0 performance degradation across the full test, making it the top choice for serious meal preppers and bulk buying households. The 2-in-1 design includes the full-size automatic countertop sealer and a retractable built-in handheld vacuum pump that seals FoodSaver zipper bags, canisters, and jar attachments without any additional hardware. Automatic bag detection starts the vacuum and seal cycle the moment a bag is inserted. Wet and dry food modes, a roll storage compartment with integrated cutter, a built-in marinate mode, and a 2.8-second seal time. 15% faster than competing machines in independent testing, cover every preservation scenario. The 99.2% leak-free rate across 150 extended sous vide water baths is the standout quality metric. At $149.99 with a 5-year warranty, the V4840 is the most feature-complete sealer on this list. For households who process 100 plus bags weekly, bulk buy meat or produce regularly, or want one machine that handles both bags and containers with no accessories required. The FoodSaver V4840 is the definitive high-volume pick. All the links for every sealer are in the description below. Those are your 5 best vacuum sealers for food preservation and bulk buying. In 2026, from a $34 beginner machine that outperforms its price to a 2-in-1 high-volume sealer with a 99.2% leak-free rate across 150 sous vide cooks. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week. We're covering the best chest freezers to pair with your bulk buying setup. See you there.